Writing linear equations from situations and graphs. Example 1. A video club charges a one-time membership fee plus a rental fee for each DVD borrowed. Use the graph to write an equation in slope-intercept form to represent the amount spent on DVD rentals. So we need to choose 2 points. We can choose this point here, which is represented by 0, 8. And we can choose probably this one. The other ones are okay, but these intersect nicely as a whole number on these. So this is going to be 8 and 18. Remember to find slope. We can say y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So 18 minus 8, 8 minus 0. 18 minus 8 is 10. 8 minus 0 is 8. We can simplify this. Goes in there 1 time, 2 times, and 5 times. So my m is 1.25, and I intersect the y-axis at 8. When I write it in the format of y equals mx plus b, I have y equals 1 and 25/100 x plus 8. All right, number 3. The cashier subtracts $2.50 from a 25 coffee cafe gift card for every medium coffee the customer buys. Okay. The constant rate of change is for every medium coffee we subtract $2.50. Subtract is a negative word. So we're going to have a slope of negative $2.50. And we have an initial value of the gift card. The initial value of the gift card is 25. Okay, and X will represent every medium cup of coffee that we buy. All right, so we're going to write an equation, and y equals mx plus b. So y equals negative 2.5 x plus b. I'm sorry, plus 25. All right, and then if you look at the graph, you have your gift card starting at 25 and going all the way until you reach 0. Let's take a look at the back side. So the rent charged for a space in an office building is a linear relationship related to the size of the space rented. Write an equation in slope-intercept form for the rent at West Main Street Office Rentals. So we have West Main Street Office Rentals. The monthly rate is if you do a 600 square feet, it charge you $750. A 900 square feet, they charge you $1,150. We can think of these as ordered pairs. So a 600 square feet will cost you $750. A 900 square feet will cost you $1,150. If we want to find slope, we're going to do y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So let's do 1,150 minus 750 and 900 minus 600. All right, let's type that in. All right, we have 1,150 minus 750. We get 400. 900 minus 600 will get me 300, which simplifies to 4/3. So the slope is 4/3. Now, if we're going to write this in y equals mx plus b format, we don't know what the b is, but we can solve for the b. So let's just take one of the ordered pairs. This one would be fine. So let's take 600 and 750 and plug it in. So we have 750 equals 4/3 times 600 plus b. We can simplify the diagonal. It can go in there 200. So 200 times 4 is 800. Then we can subtract 800 from both sides. And we get -50. So the b is -50, the m is 4/3. So we write it, y equals 4/3 x plus -50. All right, let's take a look at the last one. Harry's weekly allowance varies depending on the number of chores he does. He receives 16 in allowance the week he did 12 chores, 14 in allowance the week he did 8 chores. Write an equation for his allowance and slope-intercept form. Okay, so he did 12 chores and he got $16. And he did 8 chores and he got $14. The input, or the x, is the chores. The output, or the y, is the amount of money he got. Okay, we're going to do slope. So we're going to say y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So we can say, let's make this y2, y1, x2, x1. 16 minus 14, 12 minus 8. So we have 2 over 4, which simplifies to 1/2. So the slope is 1/2, but we don't know the b. We can figure out the b by choosing one of the ordered pairs. It doesn't matter which one, we can just choose the first one. So y is 16, 1/2 of 12 plus b. So this simplifies, we get 6. 6 plus b equals 16. Subtract 6 from both sides. B equals 10. So if I'm going to write it in an equation format, y equals 1/2 x plus 10.